what's up everyone? This is Sav Exposure and today we're here in Lahaina, Maui, trying to find some of the best food we possibly can on this side of the island. So today we're here at Mala Ocean Tavern, an absolutely phenomenal restaurant, and we're going to give you guys a tour and review of it. So make sure you stay tuned and like and subscribe. As you walk into Mala Tavern, you're immediately hit by this happy-go-lucky, fun-loving, easy-going atmosphere. But it's more than that. It also has a sense of eloquence, a sense of classiness in it. It has this dim light setting, but still allows this natural light to kind of shine in to give you some of those views from the ocean, to give you that same vibe and remind you where you're at while you're enjoying your food. As you're walking through Mala Tavern, you have multiple seating options. You have the bar area where you can kind of sit down in this more vibrant setting, enjoy your drink and food there. You also have the inside seating inside this area that's kind of surrounded on the outside of the bar. And then you can kind of cascade to this more patio-like setting near the windows and continue outside until you are actually in the outside deck seating.
It's our newest addition to the dining room. When did you guys add this? We added these about 4 months ago.
Oh, okay, so it's fairly new.
With new COVID regulations, we had to improvise. So this used to be our parking lot. But as you can see, everyone loves it, just being outside. This is a guava tree that's been here for over 100 years. And it's beautiful, it gives us a little bit of shade. Of course, the view from every single table here is amazing.
What would you say your favorite is?
Well, when it comes down to the appetizers, I highly recommend the ahi bruschetta. It's definitely one of my favorite things here at Mala. The dish has been amazing. It's definitely one of the favorites.
Okay.
The ahi bruschetta, of course, fresh local ahi. You get the vibrant red color on the ahi. It's lightly peppered. It's just a treat, honestly. Fresh local.
Okay.
That's one of my favorite things here. When it comes down to the entrees, I highly recommend the market fish. We feature many different types of fish. We are serving Kona Kaanapali tonight, which is one of the cleanest fish you're gonna get in Hawaii. We get this from the Big Island. It's amazing. Our number one seller is our whole fried fish. It's like a whole block fried fish.
Oh wow, okay.
Yes, and we always get different types of fish. We get snapper for the most part, opakapaka, onaga. We get uku. We get naveta. It's also something we serve every once in a while. Okay. It's definitely one of the best sellers here at Mala.
What's up everybody? It's Sav Exposure. I'm here at Mala Tavern here in Lahaina. I have some amazing food that you can see. Here we have the coconut shrimp. We have some oyster shop. We also have some different specialty drinks going on. Here we have the ahi tuna orange cheddar. So I'm about to get in all of this and show you how it tastes. Stay tuned. Let's get these coconut shrimp. See what the sauce tastes like. Dip that in there.
Okay. Okay. It reminds me of like, let me go and get him on another one. So it reminds me almost like an aioli of some sort. Real good sauce. The coconut shrimp are fine by themselves, and squeeze a little bit of lemon on them. Yeah, and it has like this real nice savory flavor. This is really good. I can't pinpoint what this sauce is, but it's absolutely amazing. So the coconut shrimp are definitely thumbs up for me. I'm going to get into this ahi tuna. Let's get into it. Okay. That's not avocado. At least I don't think it is. Hold on, let's see. No, that's some type of... I can't pinpoint these flavors, you guys, but it's absolutely amazing. The ahi tuna is cooked perfectly. It has a great taste. It has kind of like a sweeter, savory taste on the side. The garnishes and everything kind of give it like a fresh taste. Everything complements each other. It's really, really good. This green sauce, I don't know what it is, but it adds an accent that brings everything together and makes it absolutely amazing. It has like a balsamic kind of taste, and what the wasabi does is adds an extra zing for the aftertaste, and it gives it this extra kind of spice, this zest that complements it. Alright, so here we have this crazy looking potato, sweet potato. It's actually purple if you look at it. I've never had anything like this. So I'm going to start off with that before anything else. I'm going to go ahead and dive in. I want to say it's a potato, but it tastes like it's sweet enough to be a sweet potato. It has this sugary flavor. It reminds me almost like candy yams. It might be a yam, but it's absolutely great. It has a gravy sauce that's surrounded by it that, like I said, complements it. Savory taste, very rich. Now I'm going to get into this lamb chop. Okay. It's kind of based in that same gravy, which is super good. Like I said, it's a very rich and sweet flavor, which I'm like addicted to sugar and sweet things. So this right here is like perfect, right up my alley. If you like, savory, rich, sweet flavors, this is great. I'm going in for another bite, mixing in with potatoes. Yeah, that's good. It has a nice flavor. What do you think, Israel?
Let me try it out real quick. So this is the lamb I'm gonna try right now.
What do you think about the flavor?
Very tender, very juicy.
Yeah.
In that same garlic base as in. Really good, very flavorful. Perfect amount of spice. So like you said, very sweet, not too sweet actually, but doesn't taste actually like a regular potato. Could be a yam, I don't know.
Or maybe
really
because
good.
we're in Hawaii and they have purple potatoes. We'll figure out.
Either way, really good, very flavorful. Also, good amount of spice to it.
Alright, so we have these oysters in this kind of spicy garlic sauce with bread that kind of reminds me of pita bread. I don't know the exact name. I'm going to try dipping in the sauce and trying that like that. Like I said, the garlic has like a zesty spice to it. It's really good. Go ahead and go in with the oysters. Make sure I get some juice. The more sauce, the better. That's good. You see, I almost made love to it, but it's real good. Whatever sauce they marinated in, it's like this garlic, buttery, spicy sauce. Right here we have the ahi tuna. I'm gonna try that. It looks like it has a little bit of sesame seeds on it, a little black pepper around the edge, and also it looks like some type of cilantro, or maybe even looks like maybe some seaweed. Let's get into it, see how it tastes. Make sure we get in this sauce they have in here. It almost has a similar gravy base as the lamb. It has a little bit of spice to it, a different flavor, but similar as in it's a gravy. And I think the difference is it's less rich, but it has a spice in it that kind of brings out the freshness of the.
Our fried malasadas, the fried donut holes, with the chocolate mocha sauce, a pineapple mango ginger sauce, and a raspberry sauce.
Really get in there. It's like a custard kind of. Okay, that's good. Looks like a donut. I don't know if it's cream in a donut or. He was spot on with that combo. Oh my god, I'm going for another round. This combination is crazy. If you dinner, gotta get both. This is like a warm, fresh kind of donut that's kind of gooey inside, but not like too gooey. almost like a honey bun gooey. You dip it in sauce and it makes it like creme brulee, cream, custard, donut of love and tastiness. This is good. I'm gonna try something in this. So I think he said it's like a pineapple caramel sauce. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's go with the raspberry. This is just all good.
What's up, everybody? It's Savage Exposure. I'm here at Mala Tavern. I've had an impeccable dining experience. Outside of the amazing views, outside of the great service, just the food, the flavor, the whole cuisine as a whole was amazing. It's definitely a place I recommend. I think you should try. So check it out. Stop here if you're in the Lahaina area or you're in Maui. It's definitely a place you should try and stop out.